In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Meet fast. If you need to get into an online meeting quickly and without confusion, this process is very simple once you know what to look for. Google Meet lets you join a meeting using either a meeting code or a direct meeting link, and the good news is that both options are easy to use. To get started, open Google Meet on your device. You can do this from your web browser on a computer or through the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before joining, because that will help your audio and video work smoothly. Once Google Meet is open, take a moment to look at the main screen. This is where you'll find the option to join an existing meeting. Next, enter the meeting code or paste in the meeting link. If someone shared a code with you, type it carefully into the correct field. If they sent a full link instead, you can simply click it or paste it into the joining area. This step is important because Google Meet uses that code or link to connect you to the right meeting room. If the code doesn't work right away, double check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or missing characters. Even a small error can prevent you from joining. After that, click on Join. Once you do, Google Meet may show you a preview screen before you officially enter the meeting. This is helpful because it gives you a chance to check your camera and microphone. If you want, you can turn your camera or microphone on or off before entering. This is especially useful if you're joining from a noisy place or if you want to make sure everything is working first. When you click Join, you may enter the meeting immediately, or you might need to wait a moment for the host to let you in, depending on the meeting settings. That's completely normal. Just stay on the screen until you're admitted, and that's it. Open Google Meet, enter the code or link, and click Join. It's a fast and easy